Let's get a look ahead to the U.S. Trading Day with Charles Andrews, analyst at Blue Coast. Charles, thanks for coming on the program. With this vote in the House of Representatives, what's your sense of what's going to happen and how are the markets going to react afterward?
Well, Brian, it's really an interesting time in the marketplace. I think one thing that's exciting is this new bailout plan. Some shape or fashion is going to make its way through, and I think the markets might tend to rally a little bit with approval. You know, this approval does not fix the situation with the housing crisis. That stuff's going to have to work its way through, no matter what we approve today.
Yeah, which puts the focus on, you know, the economic impacts and the jobs report today. How's that going to play out?
Yeah, Russ, it's really exciting that I think last month it was at 6.1, and now we're looking at this one. I think it's going to be a little bit lower, and I think that's going to have a positive impact on the marketplace today. It's really a historical day and a historical time in the marketplace.
Hey, Charles, Christine here. What about the real economy? Will it continue to drag down markets?
Yeah, I think that you're exactly right. And the data that we have been privy to, I think we're going to see a little bit of adjustment southward of what we've seen previously.
In terms of value, Charles, I mean, listen, a lot of the defensive plays may be overbought. I mean, where are you going here outside of just plain old cash?
Yeah, I think it's an interesting time. It's a flight to quality, as we like to say in the industry, and we're looking at assets and classes that are really opportunities. I mean, you see smart gentlemen and firms like Warren Buffett. It's a time to buy when the play is in the right industry at the right place.
But do you have any specific ideas?
Well, for us, you know, we're basically a real estate-based firm, and so we're looking at real asset classes that previously were off the market for us, and we're looking at bigger assets, not fractured communities. And our sector, a lot of projects are selling for 50 to 25 cents on the dollar of today's valuation, but they're fractured communities or projects. And so we're looking at total asset classes, and it's an exciting time for us because there's opportunity for our firm that really we're seeing the glass is half full.
All right, Charles, thank you. Charles Andrews, analyst at Blue Coast.